hinihintay mo ba yung kumpanya na ipadala ka sa training? Ayan, huwag kang maghintay, baka naghintay ka ng wala. Second is, do you save for continuing education or self-paced learning? So I invite you to think about anong skill sets ang gusto mong matutunan because they will aid you in your success. Gusto mo bang maging expert sa AI? Gusto mo bang matuto ng data analytics? Yan yung mga bago ngayon, ano? Data science, right? Project management, problem solving, decision making. Ano yung skill sets? Leadership, management. How do you grow in that area? Okay? Do you join professional organizations or communities of practice? Kung ikaw ay nakatapos sa kolehiyo at meron kang hinahabol na professional pursuit, maganda na miyembro ka ng isang asosasyon. Sa akin, miyembro ako ng Philippine Society for Talent Development. That's the community of practitioners, no, in learning and development. And dahil nakakausap ko yung mga kapwa ko practitioners, I get a lot of inputs, no, from them. I also get mentors and coaches who help me with my own challenges. So, malaking bagay yung meron kang community of practice. Do you invest time talking to people who can share some of their wisdom? Okay. Ito yung drawback ng kapag ka sobrang mahiyain ka. Yung ability to communicate with others is not a personality, it's a skill. Kung masyado tayong mahiyain, it will hinder us. Kailangan ma-overcome natin yun yung fear of reaching out to people. Yung fear of getting intimidated. Tayo pa namang mga Pinoy ay madaling ma-intimidate, lalo na pagka may mga position of power. I'm always, I'm always fascinated by people who are able to reach out to people who can help them. Yung mga lumalapit sa akin, sasabihin sa akin, Coach, baka pwede mo akong i-mentor, no? O Ed, baka naman pwede mo akong tulungan ma-develop itong skill na ito. And ako naman, ang requirement ko lang ay handa ka ba? Yun lang ang ko eh. Handa ka ba na to do what it takes to grow, no? Pag kami nagsasabi sa akin, Ed, gusto ko ring maging training consultant someday. Gusto ko rin maging training facilitator. Ang tanong ko lang lagi doon sa mga gustong patulong sa akin na ma-develop yun, handa ka ba? No? Are you willing to do what it takes? Ayan.